When I first saw the trailer, I remember I thought that, is this a thriller? Is that what I'm going for? But then I came to understand that no, it's a coming of age love story. Was it a conscious effort to make it look like that so that it confuses the minds of people that this is not just your normal coming of age love story?
I mean, there's nothing abnormal about it, but sometimes we don't get to see very real coming of age experiences on the big screen.
Was there ever a moment for you when you were growing up where you felt that this is exactly my turning point of coming of age? Now, right now, this is the place where I mature as a woman and not just as a girl.
I don't think it's ever like that. I don't think it's ever one moment. But I get this feeling every 6 months that now I'm ready, finally I feel like I'm come of age. And I think that's life. हर कुछ महीने में हम लोग इवॉल्व करते हैं, ग्रो करते हैं, एक्सपीरियंसेस शेप अस. कभी ज़्यादा मेडिटेट करते हैं, कभी ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करते हैं. We are human beings, so we go through everything.
Actually kept a small segment where we shall be having situations given to you guys and boys versus girls hoga. So the first situation is, should menstrual leave be applicable for girls? Because apparently there's a lot of talk that girls need that leave during menstruation.
Yes, I agree.
Of course.
Yeah, everybody agrees.
Yeah. I feel if somebody doesn't want it, they can say, no, I can work on these 4-5 days also. But if it's there, why wouldn't they take advantage of a leave?
Is it awkward if a man chases a woman?
Awkward.
Hey guys, I'm Manjri Mukherjee and you are watching me on Pop Diaries channel. Well, they say we are a little too much. They sometimes say we are a little too little. And sometimes they just can't get enough of us. But whatever comes around, goes around. भाई सही बात तो ये है that girls will always be girls and you can't help it. So without further ado, let me call upon two producers who are coming up with their first baby. Girls will be girls, and the very two fresh faces for you guys to see and enjoy because they are absolutely charismatic. Not just on screen, but also off screen, I'm sure. So let's welcome the cast and the crew of Girls Will Be Girls.
Thank you. So thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely
This is the
introduction.
last time we are called crew. लगा ऐसा तो
But I did say producers. also.
मुझे बट वो वाली फीलिंग है कि हम दोनों ना ऐसे थके हारे वाले हैं क्योंकि इधर फ्रेश अब इधर आ गया है. Like okay.
See, people, the moment they see you on screen, they already know what this is all about. But I have to first tell you and congratulate you both. This is the first time you are being the producers, and that too of a film which speaks volumes. I've seen the trailer. I've talked to many people out there who've seen the movie, and all they had to say was that Manjri, you have to watch it.
Yes,
Not
you
just
have to.
because you are a girl yourself. There are so many things that you will relate to, but there are context that has been told to me that I have felt goosebumps just listening to.
Oh, lovely.
Wow.
And I have thought that this is something that we need to talk about. This is going to start a conversation. And it is something everyone's cup of tea. But I want to know, what made you guys believe in a story like Girls Will Be Girls in the first place?
But those very feelings actually.
Yes?
It was goosebumps all the way, and
Wow.
it actually reads surprisingly like a little bit of a thriller, even though nothing about it suggests this
thriller,
kind of a genre.
absolutely.
But when you watch it and you watch it uninterrupted, then it has that little quality. And I remember personally, because we're also actors, so when we read, एक माहौल बनता है, और हम
True.
मतलब हमारा वो focus भी वैसे ही रहता है. It was one of the most beautiful reads of that year for me, amongst some other scripts also. But
Wow.
and this, of course, we decided to produce.
But Richa, I want to ask you, when the trailer was cut, as someone who didn't know anything of the background of the film, when I first saw the trailer, I remember I thought that, is this a thriller? Is this what I'm going for? But then I came to understand that no, it's a coming of age love story. Was it a conscious effort to make it look like that so that it confuses the minds of people that this is not just your normal coming of age love story?
I mean, There's nothing abnormal about it, but sometimes we don't get to see very real coming of age experiences on the
True.
big screen.
Yes.
We get to see them from a very different lens. Most popular girl in school and all that. These very high gloss schools are there. It's not real like the schools we go to where the skirt length matters. Baal
Absolutely.
khole nahi rakh sakte, nail paint nahi laga sakte, nails can't be long, socks have to be pulled up, shoes have to be polished.
Wow. I don't know what bike that is.
So yeah, I mean, I want to say boys will be boys, but I want to say noisy people will be noisy. Yeah, so there's more realistic depiction of schools. I think एक फिल्म आई थी बहुत पहले रॉकफोर्ड करके, उसमें कुछ हद तक था. And as far as the trailer looking like a thriller or the film pacing like a thriller, that's all our director Shuchi Talati. So 100% credit goes there, and we are very happy that this film traveled all over the world and now came here and will finally be viewed by Indian audiences. Yeah.
Wow, superb. And so much of love all over the world.
Thank you.
And especially even when it was being shown in Mami, I remember that I did not get, the play passes to actually go and watch it. And I was looking for it. उसके बाद तो मुझे मिला ही नहीं, slot ही नहीं मिला देखने का. But I was listening to people talk about it, and all they said was like, this is a film to watch out for.
Yeah.
It's just that film that you cannot miss out on.
Yeah.
So that's kudos to you guys. Having that for the first film is definitely a unmatched feat.
Yeah.
So congratulations to both of you.
Thank you.
And congratulations on the baby also. I never
Thank
got
you.
to congratulate.
We have to have a meeting on the 10th tonight. Yes.
Okay. Over to you both, Preeti and Keshav. What I want to know most is that when I watched the trailer cut, there was this hint of a lot of sexual scenes as well. But someone who's doing this for the first time, उनके लिए थोड़ा uncomfortable हो जाता है. But was that the case with you guys? Was there any inhibition when you first told that there will be these kind of scenes also? What was process like for you guys? We'll start with Preeti first.
Look at me so timed and all.
We'll start with Keshav first.
Okay, go. Inhibitions were definitely there before starting it. Though there was very much open communication from the first call that was made from the casting team that this story has those, and would you be comfortable? Would your family be comfortable? But still, I was, like you said, it was never done it before on camera. No practice of acting those parts out. Lekin there was this open communication from the director's end, and there was an intention and storytelling through those scenes, the intimacy scenes, which really made sense and which felt like was very much necessary in the storytelling, because a coming of age, I think it is very much incomplete without you discovering
Yourself and obviously love.
and sexual experiences.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, not at all. Once shooting, it was so easily done. Thanks to our director and her also, who made it so comfortable for me as well. Yeah.
Preeti, what do you have to say?
Yeah, I feel like intimacy, when it's between two people, it really, like your co-actor really decides how your experience is going to be. And I was so fortunate that this one was there, and since the very first chemistry test we had, he's made me extremely comfortable. And it's also his general nature, like whoever he's around, he will make them really comfortable. So I thought the intimate scenes were one of the most fun scenes to go ahead with. And also we had nice choreographies before getting on with the intimate scenes. So we were knowing through and through what is supposed to happen, and as he rightly said, they were very important parts of our narrative, and not just the narrative of the film. I feel like the intimacy shown in the film, in the longer history of cinema, the way we have seen intimacy, this film should be talked more about, because the way we represent intimacy impacts a lot to the people who watch it. Like younger audiences, they grow up watching something on screen and they want to replicate that. And it's always just so perfect and so glamorized.
Yes.
But the intimacy we deal with is very vulnerable, very awkward, just a very human experience. So I'm very proud to be a part of an intimacy that's being represented
In the
this
right way.
In the right way.
Yeah.
And it doesn't really tantalize the audience who watch it. They're watching it from a very
Different kind
humanized-
of perspective.
yeah,
obviously.
very empathetically.
Yes.
Kudos to Shuchi.
Yeah, and I have to say that it's very important when you're showing a coming of age story, and sometimes it kind of there's this thin line of balance when it comes to intimacy and not having it,
Yeah.
and how much of it can you have. So creating that balance is very important.
Very important,
So
yeah.
yes, so kudos to that as well.
Yeah.
Over to Ali. Was it a conscious effort that the fact that this movie is actually for the Indian audiences, but in a way, it was first released in all the other parts of India, and now it is finally getting an OTT release in India?
India, other parts of the world.
Yeah, I mean, other parts of the
Yeah.
world, sorry.
Yeah, I mean, that's how, in fact, its journey began in Sundance. And when it got selected, which was the year before that, just I think a few, maybe weeks, days after Cannes got over the year before, we got into Sundance. So we knew that, okay, this is going out there for the world to watch. And festivals is a great way to kind of also understand and test your, your work.
Yeah.
Because you get an honest, unbiased opinion from
That's
the rest
right.
of the world,
Yes.
where people don't have to know you to tell you, and the sycophants aren't there. कि भाई, अरे यार मजा आ गया, बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था. Then suddenly, I mean, I've heard a lot of that in my life. But I think organically that happened with the film, and we got a whole year of this beautiful journey going in different countries and getting that validation, which I thought was brilliant for the actors' morale, the directors' future, all of their futures. So I think it's been the perfect homecoming. Of course, it's a film based in India, and I think the beauty of a good script and a good film is that it connects with everybody. Somebody sitting in Timbuktu should be able to understand it if they have the right subtitles. And that's the power of emotions, because that's the one thing that connects us all on a very humane level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Richa, to you, I want to know the play on the word or the title, Girls Will Be Girls. Was there ever a moment for you when you were growing up where you felt that this is exactly my turning point of coming of age? Now, right now, this is the place where I mature as a woman and not just as a girl.
I don't think it's ever like that. I don't think it's ever one moment. But I get this feeling every 6 months that now I'm ready. Finally, I feel like I'm come of age, and I think that's life. हर कुछ महीने में हम लोग इवॉल्व करते हैं, ग्रो करते हैं, एक्सपीरियंसेस शेप अस. कभी ज़्यादा मेडिटेट करते हैं, कभी ज़्यादा शॉपिंग करते हैं. We're human beings, so we go through everything. So I think every few months I feel like now I'm finally mature. I was not the person that I am today 1 year ago. So mature. So yeah, that's what I feel. So there's not one moment, but girls will be girls definitely is the most correct title for our film.
Absolutely. I completely agree with that.
Yeah.
Because the thing that you said, the pledge, and then the whole thing starts that girls should not wear skirts at this length.
Yeah.
The hair should be tied and everything. And this was something that I have also gone through in my school years. So I reconnected with that past. And somehow I felt that it opens up a conversation about what happens, the narratives that are set in the school time itself for girls and for boys, because that on the other side, on a parallel, we see boys just, fooling around and, all that things is also happening. So it kind of made a parallel kind of a shift in the way how we see. And
What do you mean fooling around, matlab?
fooling around in the sense, like kind of, because in my experience, I feel that boys have they get that they don't have those limitations in how they have to behave. But that limitations of decorum is only put on the girl when she is growing up.
Yeah, boys need to be raised better.
Yes.
For sure, yeah.
Absolutely.
Why
So-
should girls have limitations and boys have no limitations?
Exactly.
That's ridiculous. This is why our country makes global headlines, because we think boys don't have limitations.
Yeah.
Boys should be made accountable for their actions.
And I think this film acts as a very good counter to the fact that where they say very easily, and just get off that boys will be boys. So,
yeah.
okay. One thing that I really became very curious is before I watched the film myself, I wanted to know there's a subtle hint at a young single mother who's literally lonely and she only has the daughter with her. She is also very lonely and she's craving attention, and somehow there's a subtle hint of a shift where she maybe gets a little emotionally attached to the boy that her daughter loves. So is that because it was shown in a very balanced way, at least through the trailer. So was there any inhibition that this might just tip the balance of and become a little controversial?
First of all, she's not a single mother.
Okay.
And when you see the film, you will know that there's nothing controversial in it. It's just a story. There's no romantic angle
Okay.
like that. And it is a dual coming of age. So it's a deeper film than just like a.
So there's more
Headlines.
depth. There are like two perspectives out there where we have
Yeah.
the perspective
Just
of a
watch
young
the
mother,
film.
but we also have the perspective of a daughter.
Yes. But
Okay.
just watch the film.
Yeah, because it does take you to the edge of, like and that's a quality that Shuchi has. I think the film also has that it sort of almost tricks you into taking your mind to one direction and then
And makes you uncomfortable, makes you think.
yeah,
Okay.
and then sort of throws you a googly.
Yeah.
Wow.
And takes a nice little turn,
Yeah.
and it's surprisingly and it's very well crafted that way. It's like, oh, okay, interesting. I didn't think that. Oh, wow,
Yeah.
and then you start following that. Then again, you reach that crossroads, and again, so that's I think something where that's the
Wow.
beauty of it.
I think that is the beauty of the film then. That,
Yeah.
that even by being a coming of age story, it's got such a different perspective and shifts in it as well.
Yeah.
And on that note, I would like to ask, when you're doing a coming of age story, even as actors, when you're looking at a coming of age story, do you feel that a coming of age story can only happen, or growing up for that matter, can only happen when you have gone through catalysts like traumatic events, or a sexual experience, or maybe love, or maybe just puberty itself? Or can it happen with any experience whatsoever?
I think I believe coming of age can happen at any age, by meeting people, by going to places. I was just thinking about this recently, actually, that what if you're just always in a room? Would you still come of age? I think you would. It would be very slow, but you would, just by yourself.
Did you get that idea from her telling you to be engaged?
I think so, probably.
Was he really in a
Can
cage
I-
though?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was in a cage.
Yeah.
What?
Of course.
Because when we cast newcomers and they don't even bring any funds with them, we put them in cages.
Experimental brand.
Test. Case
We
number.
were dropping food from the top. It's not like they were hungry.
Dropping food?
Yeah, like that.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow. This is a very different experience.
But don't worry, they're above 18, so it was not child abuse.
I didn't. I wasn't even thinking like that. Oh god. No, I was just. It's a very different experience.
Yeah.
To experience.
No, it's my responsibility to say that's a joke. But
Okay.
we were painted the best.
I got very serious because she said it very
Yeah, she
seriously.
says it with such a straight face. So beautiful with your sarcastic views, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So we were on coming of age. Yes. Do
Yes,
you?
he's saying coming of age can be happening at any time, and
Yeah,
even
without
if
any
he's in a
catalyst.
closed room,
Yeah.
Wow. Cool.
without any catalyst.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have actually kept a small segment where we shall be having situations given to you guys, and boys versus girls hoga,
Oh.
because we have the same ratio.
Okay.
2 girls, 2 boys. So.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
But these guys, poor things, they can't discuss ना. बीच में हम बैठे.
Arey, it's fine. You don't have to
Okay,
discuss.
ah,
You don't have to
now
strategize.
yeah.
It's like
Problem
individual
solved.
opinions also matter.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Okay. So the first situation is, should menstrual leave be applicable for girls? Because apparently there's a lot of talk that girls need that leave during menstruation.
Yes, I
What does?
agree.
Of course.
Yeah, everybody agrees.
I feel if somebody doesn't want it, they can say, "Okay, no, I can work on these 4-5 days also."
Okay.
But if it's there, why wouldn't they take advantage of a leave?
Cool. Should there be paternity leaves just like maternity leaves?
Yeah.
Should there be?
Yes.
Of
Yes.
course.
Yes.
Sign of equality. I also say yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, they should also enjoy fatherhood.
And the mother needs the
Not
father.
enjoy.
Exactly. And I feel that that whole time is something that only should be between the mother and the father. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you think boys gossip more than girls?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
They gossip so much.
Personally agree. Yes.
If
Richa, do
women
you gossip?
I mean, I think people gossip with their friends, and it has nothing to do with gender.
gender.
That's also very
And
true.
more the gossip, the stronger the bond is. And
No,
you
but
see men unify.
universally people say that no, men do not gossip.
That's
इसके बारे में ये बोल के ही गॉसिप करेगी कि हाँ मैंने तो बोला मैं गॉसिप नहीं करता फिर उसने बोला कि वो गॉसिप नहीं करता पर मैंने तो गॉसिप करके बोल दिया कि वो गॉसिप कर रहा है पर मैं नहीं कर रहा
बहुत बात करते हैं
आजकल you can't even say that. एक तो सारों के फोन पे 10-10 ग्रुप्स हैं.
हाँ.
होता क्या है? यही होता
Wahi,
है ना?
exactly. And they're very secretive about those groups as well. Is it awkward if a man chases a woman?
awkward
In love.
chases
In love.
chases
Hello to them, it's not a chase.
Yeah, like kind of if a man if a man woos a woman. Yeah.
sure no it's not
No.
no problem man can woo a woman can woo a man
Is that also fine?
But you mean on cinema?
No, I see,
life.
generally.
मतलब
woo
Like chases a woman in the sense
the word is woo
woo.
मतलब
Yeah.
as long as it's happening in a boundary, मतलब not intrusive because men sometimes don't know the boundaries. So
That's a very good
boundary
thing.
no, like,
woo.
But has
I don't know,
consent
that's
ever
a
been?
very, it's kind of subjective, isn't it? Like,
Woo.
also men.
Yeah, but isn't
Someone look
also
की तरफ
awkward
से,
if
we don't
women are
know.
doing the same?
Yeah, but we don't know what, like you have to know that basic boundary.
yeah.
yeah
कि when you're going,
But
doing
when
too
you're
much.
going
But
to
in any situation, I think if a man comes up to a girl, like it's just, they look like creeps only.
Yeah.
no
But
not
करना
necessarily I mean you have to know
बहुत tough है.
सामने
Exactly,
सिग्नल रीड
I
करना
know.
आना चाहिए
बहुत tough है. मतलब
Yeah.
a girl walks up to a guy, it's still ठीक है. You know, it's like our first reaction would not be कि
What if you go to a girl and go like woo and she says woo woo and then you say we and then you start
we become.
I wish it was so.
Oh God,
That's a good one. Yeah.
I use that.
That I'm gonna use that. I can't use that.
No, you
Use
can
it,
use
you
it.
know.
Come on, you can
The
use it. You
terrace.
can still use it.
Yeah, I'm
Terrace,
meeting
yeah,
the terrace.
I think you can still use it
yeah
for her.
not
I
on
mean,
you
Yeah.
thanks he's taken
No,
एक बच्चे
not-
का बाप है
No, not on me.
sorry I'm joking
Okay, is it
Woo.
awkward for men to enjoy fairy tale or princess movies?
Not at all.
No, not at all.
Watch.
no watch
No?
it
I have all green flags over here.
Yeah. How's the boys versus
that's why we are in one team no
Yeah.
That's-
these guys are not
You have
just
watched
fast
Princess Stories?
Have you?
Bro, I can't talk about it.
He has to now.
Why?
Because, yeah.
He's good to
sure.
Pandit Umesh Bhatt.
जो
Come
बेस में
on.
नहीं देखा
अभी देखना पड़ेगा. अभी देखना पड़ेगा. And then you can talk about it.
मैं तो रोता भी हूँ देख देख.
sweet
It's very sweet. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it weird for girls to enjoy F1 and WWE
Not at
matches?
all.
no
Is it what?
weird
Weird for girls to
F1 and
enjoy
WWE.
boxing
Kidding
matches
me?
and F1 racing.
MMA
लड़कियां
fighting,
MMA fight खुद
boxing,
करती हैं, उनको weird
F1
I love it.
racing.
Yeah.
I love
One of my
racing.
closest friends, we share like notes on boxing and
Wow.
UFC and then,
Yeah.
yeah, a lot of
Yeah, she
football.
did.
Football is so
No,
fun to
when I
watch.
was growing up, I used to be a tomboy, and people used to be like कि इस तरह से नहीं behave करना है. तू क्या गुंडी है क्या? And yeah, everybody. My father was pretty scared that you are dhoptoing all men out there. I am scared for you. Don't do that at least.
no I think it makes you strong
Yeah. Go for
Thanks,
it.
Itza. Okay, should men wear makeup, do skincare, and be choosy about their clothes? That's what-
Yeah.
of course
Yes, no?
Skincare should be for
I
everyone.
know.
Yeah.
skincare, makeup. This is a country. Mr. Shami Kapoor was wearing like orange and pink tints on his lips from the 60s. What are you talking? It's okay completely. Men can do whatever they want. They are allowed to feel their full expression.
Yeah.
Makeup, no makeup, clothes, kapda, hair, जो भी चाहिए करो.
Wow, super. Okay, lastly, the last question to close this conversation. One memory from your teenage era that you shall always remember.
Woo.
One what? one
Memory.
One memory from the teenage era, not childhood, huh? Teenage era that you shall remember forever. Like it's still with you because it's just that strongly inside you, inside your memory.
We used to have a little girls' gang called Saste Katil.
Yeah.
And we took like a trip to Mussoorie after our 12th boards. And I remember taking the Shatabdi train from Delhi. You drive to Dehradun, and then from Dehradun, you drive to Mussoorie. And we had a really great time. Some 10-12 girls just laughing raucously, taking photos everywhere. It was amazing. I think it was like a 10-day trip. It was amazing.
Wow, super.
I
Ali?
think I remember one busting this thing scene, which I was busting grounds for my, because I was in a boarding school.
What is busting?
Sorry, this for sorry, context. We used to call क्योंकि कर्फ्यू होता था ना बोर्डिंग स्कूल में रात को, तो हम क्योंकि 6 साल 7 साल हमेशा भूखे रहे तो खाना खाने के लिए, तो फूड वाज ऑलवेज द रीजन व्हाई एवरीथिंग हैपेंड. तो वो बन और ऑमलेट हमें मिलता था स्टेशन पे, देहरादून स्टेशन पे. तो वी यूज्ड टू बस बाउंस व्हिच इज क्लाइंब द वॉल्स, और वो एक जगह से होता था. सो दिस वन टाइम आई वेंट और मैं आई हैव क्रॉस्ड वन, द लास्ट गार्ड हु वाज स्लीपिंग, आई क्रॉस्ड हिम और वहां पेड़ का वो पत्ता आ गया. इट वाज वेरी फिल्मी. ही वेक्स अप एंड ही सडनली लुक्स एट मी एंड इट वाज दिस 3 सेकंड जैसे वो कार्टून्स में दिखाते हैं.
हाँ,
Frozen.
वही.
Both of us are looking at each other. I'm like, हाय. मैंने उसके सामने ऐसे अपने, क्योंकि मैं जूते ढीले पहना था थोड़ा, तो मैंने यूं जूते निकाले सामने रखे और मैंने कहा बाय, एंड आई ran back to my house. Like obviously couldn't, but I just remember that visual of, by the end of it, whistles blowing, 9 to 10 security guards on the field after
Oh
me.
my God.
But nobody knew it was me. But darkness में कोई देख नहीं पाया, so it became a big mystery. But next
Who was
morning, everybody knew the shoes were mine. Because they were my shoes, everybody knew they were
Why
my
did
shoes.
you leave the shoes?
Because मैं भाग नहीं पाता इतने तेज. I think I must have broken records that night, like sprinting records, because it was.
Like Cinderella, the next day they were like, "Ye juta."
I know my friend, yeah, he was the captain, so he slowly, slimily went from the room, you know, the जहाँ पे confiscated थे, तो उसने वो जूते निकाले और उनका ये ले रख ले. So then there was like no evidence left, and of course now on Pop Diaries I'm talking about it, but like, yeah,
Doscos.
this was one story.
Okay, anyone? You?
Oh,
I mean, I'm sure you were
after
still
my
in
10th
teens.
boards, I mean,
right?
till then I didn't used to study, but I used to get good grades. Like सब में अच्छे marks आते थे till 10th, and then 11th, 12th was such a shocker. I started failing in all the exams.
What?
Yeah, so that was a very big switch for me in my life and for my parents also. कि ये suddenly अच्छा पढ़ने वाला बच्चा fail हो रहा है सारे subjects में, physics, chemistry, math, and then I used to just go to outside Mannat and just sit there
Wow.
after failing. Every time I fail, I used to go there and sit.
Outside what?
I just
Mannat.
want you to know that
Not-
Shah Rukh Khan is highly educated. He went to Jamia. He went to Jamia and the entrance is so difficult.
Richa is bursting the bubble.
He was very, very
But वो कह रहा
educated.
है
He's
वो
very
मन्नत
smart.
मांगने जाता था वहाँ पे. His
Yeah.
point is that.
नहीं,
Yeah,
बस ये
right.
था कि खुद को बोल रहे हो कि ठीक है पढ़ाई में कम आएगा तो भी चलेगा. This is
नहीं
not what-
चलेगा.
नहीं.
हो गया अभी इंजीनियर बन गया हूँ.
पढ़ाई करो.
Okay.
Just
yeah,
go, please. Yeah, the difference between a successful
Right.
career and an okay one is longevity and education.
True, very true. For you?
I think there was this one time I'd sneaked into boys' hostel. We were in some competition and the stakes were high because if they found boys entering girls' dorm or girls entering boys' dorm, they would have disqualified us. And it was a very important, prestigious international competition. So yeah, one night ऐसे ही 3 boys 3 girls थे, तो ऐसे गार्ड आके खोल के सो रहा था, हम उसके सामने से निकल गए. And we watched some funny videos on YouTube and then we went. So that's बहुत crazy कर लिया मैंने.
थोड़ा sad है.
Okay. And with that note, I hope you guys get to share your memories from the teenage era as well. Don't forget to watch Girls Will Be Girls on Amazon Prime Video, streaming very soon. But
Woo.
Until then. Until then, what will you do? You will like, share, subscribe, and please do comment on the comment section and click on the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Woo.